bit of a rush today because I'm off to an impromptu dyno session, so I need to be there in about an hour, and it's pretty much an hour away from here, so let's go. Before the dyno session, I'm about 95% sure that my clutch won't slip, but I'm not 100% sure, so let's just hope it won't slip. Seriously don't know what to expect from the dyno sesh, but I think if I make anything like 220-ish flywheel or more, I'll be happy. Let's see. Alright, dyno session's done. It was on a hub dyno, so that's pretty special and kind of accurate as well. I expected the car to make about 180 horsepower at the wheels, and it pretty much did. It did 181.7, which is pretty good. I think it means about 220 to 25-ish flywheel, so basically Mach 225 levels. The torque was 278.9 Newton meters at the wheels, which is like this in pounds feet. I don't know the units, so I can't convert it, so sorry. Pretty healthy figures, all in all, really happy. It will be great for a baseline. .180 horsepower at the wheels.